It's been a while. I know. There is really no excuse for my absence other than I have been extremely busy. But anyways, this video, I have gotten a few requests over the last few weeks to do an updated one of these. So that is what today's video is going to be. So, hi guys, it's Danielle. It's been a while. Welcome back. Do you remember me? I hope you do. Well, anyways, today's video is going to be an updated body spray, I was gonna say routine, body spray collection. So I have a completely different collection than I did 3 years ago when I did this video. So yeah, let's get into it. If you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let's get into it, okay? So I don't know if you guys saw the video. I don't remember which video it was, but I have talked about it before. I did get rid of pretty much all of my Victoria's Secrets body lotions and body sprays. I think I kept like 2 body sprays that I genuinely really enjoy that I'll use like every now and then, but I don't use it as often as I used to. Because I always knew this, but then like when I looked it up, just seeing that how toxic they were, I was like, I need to like move away from these and not use them. They were rated like a 0 out of 100 on this app, and I was like, okay, I get the point. So pretty much all of these are clean fragrances except for a few. But yeah, okay, so I'm gonna start with this guy. This is from Ariana Grande. It is the body spray in the scent Airy, or Ari, however you want to pronounce it. I rated like pretty decent on the app that I have, and I love this scent. I'm actually gonna spray some because I don't have anything on right now. Oh yeah, this smells so good. You can get this at like TJ Maxx, Marshalls. I think I actually paid $7.99 at TJ Maxx. So definitely recommend a really good soft body spray. Then, okay, this one is from Target. It's from the brand Finery, and this is in the scent Flower Bed, right? Yeah, Flower Bed. So I really like how this smells, but this disappears in 2.3 seconds. Like you spray it and then it's gone. Like I really just use this as like a nighttime body spray. Like when I get out of the shower and I'm going to bed, this is what I'll use. This is what I'll use. Like I said, it smells amazing, but the longevity for it is just not there. It disappears in almost immediately. So for that, I wouldn't necessarily say you guys need this, but if you're somebody that doesn't mind when their scent's just kind of like, I wouldn't say you don't smell it at all, but it definitely fades. And unless you're like up against your skin, you're really not going to smell it. So if you're that type of person, then definitely you would like this. I do still enjoy it. I just don't think I'll repurchase it. Okay. Then up next, this is from This is from Tree Hut. It's their body mist in the scent Tropic Glow. I love this scent so freaking much. I have the shaving oil, the body scrub, the body lotion, and this, and as you can see, it is very well loved. The only thing I would say about this is that I wish it didn't have like glitter in it, because if you're wearing like dark colors, you really can't use it like all over your clothes because you're just going to be like a glitter bomb. If you're wearing lighter colors, you'll definitely be able to get away with it. And I really enjoy this because the scent actually lasts. Like I saw some people say that the scent doesn't last, but in my experience, I like douse myself in it. Maybe that's why it lasts, but you can definitely see that it is well loved. I 10 out of 10 recommend this. I love it. I don't understand why my hair is like flat today. Like I Dysoned it, curled it, and it is just, it's giving, I don't know what it's giving, but it's not giving what I want it to give. Anyways, let's move on to Sol de Janeiro, okay? I don't know why they do this to us every year. They have this thing where they come out with like limited edition scents for the summer, and then they sell out, and then you can never get them again. I don't get why brands do that. If your consumers love your product, why are you going to never bring it back? It doesn't have to be restocked all year, but like maybe bring it back like once a year so your consumers can like restock on it. I don't know. I'm not in marketing. What do I know? Okay, but these two are actually from last year, and you can't get them anymore, unfortunately. This is in the scent Tan Lines, and this is in the scent CN Soul. I really like these ones, you guys. Oh my god, they smell so good. I think the blue one, yeah, the blue one's my favorite. It's a little bit more like fruitier, kind of reminds me of like candy. This is a little bit not as fruity, so I really like these. I wish they would make them permanent because they actually last a really long time and smell amazing. This year I did of course pick up one of their new limited edition ones. This is in the scent When and Rio. I did smell almost all of them, I think, and this was the one that I was gravitated to the most. It's a very soft, feminine, floral, beautiful scent. This one, I wish they would come out with it in like a bigger body spray, a perfume, one of their body butters, because this smells so freaking good. It is my favorite limited edition one that they've ever launched. And if you can get your hands on it, I highly recommend it. This is one of this year's limited edition scents, so 10 out of 10 recommend. We're gonna get into a really expensive, really expensive body mist. This is from Ellis, Brooklyn, and this is in the scent CCC. This is what it looks like. It is just giving luxury. It is giving so many different things, and it smells like you're on the beach, but you're not on the beach. Like you're on the beach. Ooh, I just got lipstick all over it. Like you're on the beach, you just showered, you're having a cocktail, you're sitting by the fire. Like that's what this smells like. It smells so good. I actually don't know what the notes are. I have no freaking clue. But if you are bougie and you want to splurge on a nice body spray, definitely check out this from Ellis, Brooklyn. They have a few other scents, but this is the only one that I own. They did actually send this to me because of Skeepers. If you're an influencer and you're not on Skeepers, what are you even doing? So yeah, it actually smells amazing. I really love Ellis, Brooklyn because I just love the message of the brand. They're like a woman owned. I think they're made in like Brooklyn. I mean, they're made in the US, but I think the owner is from Brooklyn or something like that. I don't know, but I really love them. Okay, so let's move on to my favorite body sprays ever. Okay, so I'm actually gonna start with my least favorite, but it's still in the category of my favorites, if that makes sense. This is from, okay, all these are from Pacifica, okay? This one is from Pacifica in the scent Indian Coconut Nectar. This is at the bottom because it does not last a long time. Like this smells like coconut, just like it says, but the scent dissipates kind of like the Finery one. For some reason, this one just doesn't hit as hard as the other scents. I don't know why. I got it in like a little trio collection. That's why I have it. But this one, I wouldn't recommend just because of the fact that it's not long lasting. Then we have, oh my God, this one is one of my favorites. This is in the scent Island Vanilla. So I do have the full size and then I do have the travel size because it came in that little trio. I'm actually almost out of this one, but if you are a vanilla girl, oh my God, this is a vanilla girl's dream. It smells just like vanilla and it's called Island Vanilla. Like this, like you're on the beach. Like this one, definitely like after hours beach, but this one is like, I'm on the beach, I'm tanning, I'm getting the most beautiful tan there is in the Bahamas. You're an island girl in this scent, okay? I love it, and this one, sometimes when I spray it, like it'll overpower my perfume, which is crazy because body mist, I like to layer scents. So I'll mix like this and then I'll wear like a really fruity or florally scent. And the way that they'll mesh together is really beautiful. But this one sometimes will stand out just by itself. Like I'll get a whiff of it and I'm like, I love to know that it's lasting. I saw the reviews online and some people say that it doesn't last long, but this one, it lasts on me. I don't know. And we have these little guys. So these are different, obviously different packaging than these ones. I'll actually compare it to the smaller ones so you guys can get an idea. So yeah, it's definitely different packaging. These are, I don't even know if they're like a different line. But anyways, this is in the scent Flower Moon. I do have two other scents. I don't know where they are. But I do like these ones, but I don't like them as much as I like the ones that come with this like fun, colorful packaging. I bought these because I do have the matching like actual perfumes from Pacifica. So I was like, let me just buy them. So I have Flower Moon, then I have Dream Silver Moon, Dream Moon, and that's it. Yeah. So I have it in all of those. These aren't my favorite, like these ones are. They smell good. My favorite out of all of like the ones that come in this packaging would be Silver Moon. That is very vanilla-y, but it's a different type of vanilla than this one. This is like a more sweeter vanilla. That one's vanilla, but like a stronger, like only vanilla type scent, if that makes sense. But yeah, so these ones are really nice if you want to throw something in your bag and just like freshen up throughout the day. They don't last super long unless you spray a lot of it. So I don't spray, I mean I do spray a lot of it, but that's just who I am as a person. I don't care about overloading on perfume. I know some of you guys don't want to have to spray a product 50 times to get it to last. Me, I don't really care. Like I'm going to use it anyway, so if I use it all in one shot, it is what it is, right? Okay, so my favorite body spray is another one from Pacifica. This is the last one. This is in Tahitian gardenia, you guys. This one, I didn't realize how much of a gardenia girl I was until KKW stopped making crystal gardenia. Once she stopped making that, I was just on the hunt for gardenia, and pretty much every time I find one, I fall in love. And just like Island Vanilla, this one, I will get whiffs of it throughout the day. I love it so much. It's so long lasting. Oh, and it just smells so good. It's like a gardenia girl's dream. I love it. I will mix it with this from Ellis Brooklyn because they're both, I mean, I don't know. I think the notes are gardenia in here. I'm pretty sure this is in the scent Florist. So I will mix it with this because they both smell like gardenia but differently. So the combination of these two is amazing. If you're a gardenia girl, you definitely need to pick this up. So out of all of these, I would rank this one from Pacifica, and then I would say you need this When in Rio from Sol de Janeiro, just because it's like limited edition. You don't know if they're ever going to restock again. Probably not. Then I would say this one from Ellis Brooklyn, and then Tree Hut, and then I would do Ari, and then I would do Finery, and then these ones I really like, but obviously you can't get these anymore. And these ones you just gotta, I don't know, I feel like you gotta just carry them with you and just like retouch up throughout the day with those ones. I feel like I got through that really fast. I feel like I was talking super fast too throughout the video, so if you couldn't understand me, I'm sorry. But yeah, so that is all of my current body spray collection. Like I said, I did get rid of all of my Victoria's Secret ones just because of how toxic and unhealthy they were. So yeah, this is currently what we're working with. Pacifica just reigns #1. I love Pacifica so much. Their skincare, their body sprays, their perfumes. I am a big fan of Pacifica. Pacifica, if you're watching, let's collab, okay? Because I love everything about your brand. That is all of my current body sprays, my current body spray collection. Let me know down below which ones you own. What are your go-to body sprays? Because I'm always buying body sprays. I feel like you can never have too many. Even though I try to keep it to like a minimum amount, I feel like you can never have too many. But yeah, so as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video.